Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can turn off the hospitality mode on your Samsung hotel grade TV so that you can regain access to the features like HDMI inputs, settings and other functions. So first of all, you need to start by turning on your Samsung hotel TV. Using the remote, you just have to simply press the following buttons in the sequence. Like first of all, you need to press the mute button. So after pressing the mute button, you just have to simply press 1. Then you need to press 1 again. Then you need to press 9 and then you need to press the enter button. So if entered correctly, the hospitality menu or the hotel option menu should appear on the screen and it is going to look something like this. So once you are in the menu, you just have to look for the hospitality mode and here you are going to see the off option as well. So you need to select it and you need to confirm the change. Now on some of the Samsung hotel TVs, you may only see the standalone or the interactive modes. So in that case, you need to switch to the TV to the standalone mode, which typically removes many of the hotel restrictions and allows the TV to function more like standard home television. Now, after making the change, you can just simply exit the menu and then you need to power on the TV, then wait for a few seconds and then you need to turn it back on to the new settings so that the new settings can take effect. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.